As an IT professional, you need to find ways to improve the availability and resiliency of the devices in your edge computing environments, all while saving time and money. AI, machine learning, big data, and cloud computing have enabled us to capture huge numbers of alarms and notifications from more sensors, features, and algorithms with higher data sampling rates. Real-time monitoring can use this data to reduce mean time to repair, reduce downtime, and reduce operational overhead. And automated service dispatching uses the same data to give you predictive and proactive servicing of your IT infrastructure, saving you time, resources, and money. To learn more about digital remote monitoring and the other trends changing operations and maintenance at the edge, read White Paper 237, Digital Remote Monitoring and Dispatch Services Impact on Edge Computing and Data Centers.